Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to connect NameCheap domain to Shopify. But before I begin with the video, I can offer you Shopify completely for free for the next 3 days, and then you only pay €1 and not 32. So if you want that offer, click the link in the description. So basically, to add it, here are the steps you need to do. So you need to connect a domain registered with NameCheap to Shopify. You need to add a domain or subdomain to your Shopify account. You will basically go to your Shopify dashboard. You will click on settings and then click on domains. And then you add a domain or subdomain to your Shopify account. And two is to set up the necessary records for your domain and subdomains in your NameCheap account. After you have done that, there are two ways you can point your domain registered with us to your store. So with NameCheap to your store. So the first one is to point out domain using Shopify DNS. Sign into your NameCheap account, select domain list from the left navigation sidebar, then click on Manage. Then you want to click on Advanced DNS and we want to choose DNS template. From there you want to click on Shopify. And then you want to click on this green arrow and then basically continue. If everything was applied properly, you will see this success message. If you got an error, you will get something like this. If that happened, just contact their support. They will gladly help you out. But if you want to use A and C name records, again, you need to go to your NameCheap account, domain list, click on the domain, click on manage, Advanced DNS, add new record. Then to A, you need to use your domain.tld and this one. So if your domain is happy dogs, www.happydogs.tld, and point it to this number, and then create a new C name record for this. So it should look like so: a record with the add with the number, CNAME record, www.shopify.com. Then for each, you need to press the green arrow, and then you need to wait around 30 minutes for it to verify the connection, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to click the link in the description to get the Shopify trial.